Hey, join me as I change the brake pads on this G37 2009 Infiniti. All right, I got the rear wheel off. Now what I'm gonna go for is these right back here. I'm gonna go for these right back here and right down here. And they're 14 millimeter. From this angle, it's this nut right here. And then there's a bolt, and then there's another bolt right here. There we go, see, got it. Now for this lower one, I can't really use the ratchet because this little tie rod here is in the way. I'm gonna be pushing it down like that. This way is loosened. There we go, got it. So now what I can do is take this piece, just pull it off with the pads there. Just pushing right on here. There we go. Now I have access to the pads. Now I can just pop them out and change them out. I'll go ahead and take these out. Damage them. There we go. Pop that right out there. There's a look at them. Not too bad. Still a little bit of life left in them, but I'm gonna put some brand new ones on there. You shake the system to the underground. Can't cage my mind with your paper rules. We teach the youth what they don't learn in schools. Jah gave me rhythm, gave me the fight. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up with this brake cleaner. Stand tall, stand proud, raise your hand. Let them know we overstand. Burn the lies, break the chain, take a stand. This is how we stick it to the man. No fear, no. Okay, I now need to clamp the caliper down to make room for the new pads because they're thicker than the old ones. So I took this old C-clamp here and I put a piece of metal right here, and then I'm just gonna twist this baby down and compress it all the way back in. Okay, crank down all the way. And I compressed it all the way in there. There's a look at the new ones. They can't silence roots, they can't kill vibe. This rebel heart too strong to pride. Stand tall, don't bow, don't run, don't hide. The fire of truth is on our side. Voice of the people, strong and grand. We chant down Rome and we stick it to the man. To the man. Same as the old one there. Rebel soul, still we stand. So they give you two different kinds, and you'll notice the difference here. So here's the old one. There's a new one. This is the one I want to use. But they give you a set with some narrower openings right here to account for a thinner rotor, but we have the thicker rotors, so this one's going away. And this is going to go just like this on the inside, face up. That clip there is going to be facing up. I'll go ahead and put it in just like that, just like we took the old ones out. Snap it right into the clips there. Okay, got the new one right back in there, nice and tight. I have to pull up a little bit on this tab right there to get it slid in there. It's a nice tight fit. All right, got the new ones on there. Go ahead and grease this up here too. I'll put some grease all around there and on the outside of both of these pads there. Let them know we overstand. Burn the lies, break the chain, take a stand. This is how we stick it to the man. One love, one heart, rebel soul, no plan. Still we rise, yeah, we stick it to the man. Now we'll go ahead and lube up the hub a little bit. Put some grease around here. All right, that one's tight. And the lower one's tight. That's it. Thanks for watching.